Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another Tiny Tidy Tuesday video hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn at the Helpful Home, along with other wonderful YouTube participants that you're going to find in the playlist that is linked in the description below. This is my catch-all hotspot of mine. It tends to pile up from time to time on mail, receipts, items I'm currently working on, things that need to be taken upstairs, devices, and the key rack that seems to grow every now and then with stuff that just doesn't belong there. My husband knows to keep receipts for me, so there's usually some to take up to my office. I was working on this week's planner and brought it downstairs to update our hanging calendar in the kitchen, and I was trying to make a list of things to get later in my little notebook here, but that needs to go back up in the office to be finished. I went through our mail, and this pile goes to my office to work on. Actually, it's yesterday's mail and today's mail pile up. And all this is just plain junk mail, and it needs to be placed in the recycle bin of ours. I bought this cell phone accessory for filming on my phone for Reels, Stories, or maybe TikTok one day. Yeah, I haven't used it. Plus, this is my dumping spot when I'm filming. They belong in my equipment bag in my office, not here. Keys, where are my keys? I was trying to figure out what is what, and then realized it would be better to just take them all off the key rack and sort out on the counter. Better visual and group into like categories, if any. Every now and then, it's a really good idea for myself to go through here because there's always things that we place on this that doesn't really need to belong on the key holder. So these are all the keys currently right now that just needs to be up there. This is for my new mailbox since we got the house renovated on the outside and the exterior of the house. And I guess I can get rid of this. This was just part of the mailbox. So I was thinking about maybe just putting this on a different key ring because I really... Other Jay and I, we just only know this now. But I need to use a different keychain for that one. And then... this is our keys for our Vegas house. It doesn't need to be up there because we're not in Vegas. And this is for a lock. We don't really need that. So that needs to be locked up in our key lock box. And then these are just extra key rings, so that can go into the garage. This is just a bottle opener. Isn't that cool? Nothing special or anything, but that can go in the drawer. This, an anklet, a ring, and some type of, like, I don't know, it's a little trinket thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that upstairs in our room. This is for my P.O. box. I'm gonna place that in my purse. And then these are my husband, who I like to call MacGyver. This is useful for all kinds of things. You can open up cans, the bottle opener. Again, that doesn't need to be on the key ring. This is our garage door opener, which needs to also be locked up in our key lock box, as well as these. These are just like the ladder key, extra mailbox key, so that can go into the lock box. So basically, all of this didn't need to be on there. So even though it's just a small little tidy, look at that. That's just a lot of stuff that doesn't need to be here. It's just clutter. So I need to put those away, get another keychain for this, and then on here, I like to have this for Kitty. It's one of those little laser. And, ooh, I think maybe I can use this Cuba. Who went to Cuba? I don't even know. I don't know. These trinkets have been here, but I like them there. I don't know why, I just do. So I'm going to keep those there. And keep this one here for Kitty. And then put these back up. There. I like that one for the mailbox key. Because hopefully it'll be Happy Mail. Not like bills. Just kidding. Okay, so there we go. Those are the current keys. That's it. That's all that needs to be up there. Now is to clean all of the dust and everything. Alright, here's like little things, you see that? And then over here, and then yeah, I need to also wipe all of this area here. I have my husband's stuff. He likes to, actually this is mine, but when he gets home he likes to plug in his phone and everything there. And I need to just go underneath here, might as well just keep going. I actually thoroughly cleaned my Keurig last night, gave it a new filter, just really cleaned it out. And because I had to unplug it, I still got to set the time on there. How funny, but definitely taking a little time to do a little tidy. Thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure you click on the subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up if you like these Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and don't forget to watch the playlist in the description box. Bye. Need more Tiny Tidy motivation? Well, there are more Tiny Tidy Tuesdays in the playlist right there. Subscribe, like, share, and thank you for watching.